Hi friends, today the another special topic to be discussed is how to build up your immunity power. Before going to the main part, let's talk a little bit on immunity. What is immunity? Basically, it's a biological defense mechanism developing in our body against some unwanted microorganism, that is infections, or against some diseases. In another word, we can say that is the balanced state among multicellular organs. The term immunity was coming from the Latin word, that is immunis, that means exemptions from military services. Now coming to the part, what are the types of immunity? If we classify it, there is two types. Number one, innate immunity, and number two, adaptive immunity. What is innate immunity? The innate immunity, we are acquiring it from birth, that is gifted from birth. What are they? Basically the organs in our body, some tissues or cells. In example, skin, bone marrow is a part of this immunity. Now what is adaptive immunity? Similarly, we are getting it after birth, in actively or passively. So adaptive immunity is further subclassified into two groups, that is active immunity is passive immunity. In active immunity, we are getting this through actively against some microorganism or some vaccine. So active immunity further classified into two subgroups, that is natural against some microorganism, artificials against vaccinations. Similarly, passive immunity also classified into two groups, that is natural, which are getting from our mother sides through breast milk, and artificials, that is preformed antibodies through our IV channel as immunoglobulins. So passive immunity, we are getting it passively from mothers through breast milk and through IV channel. Now coming to the part, what are the components of immunity? In our body, mainly some organs, some tissues or cells are the main component of this immunity system. In organ, in examples, that is tonsil, adenoids, thymus, that is spleen is a part, and also bone marrow is the main part also in immunity system. Some lymph nodes, lymphoid tissues, skin, as I told earlier, and lymphatic vessels also taking part in immunity system. Another is cells, some lymphocyte, that is B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, which are producing antibody fighting against infections. Some macrocytes, granulocytes, that is eosinophil, mast cell, neutrophil, basophils, and also platelets take part in the immunity system. These cells will many times, in different times, they will produce some micro molecules which are involved direct for killing or phagocytosis the microorganism or against some disease. These are basically antibodies, interleukins, inflammatory mediators, component protein, etc. Now coming to the main part, what are the processes by which we are getting more and more, or we get build up our immunity power or strengthen our immunity power? There are many processes. An example, balanced diet. First of all, balanced diet, that is foods, vegetables, green leafy vegetables which are rich in folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, as antioxidant, vitamin D also, and another fruits like carrots, papaya, pumpkin, yogurts, almonds, which are rich in interferon, antioxidant, vitamin E. And now another important things that is green tea, also having high reach in vitamin E, which are antioxidant directly fighting against microorganism. Another good component of immunity process, that is lifestyle modifications. That is the main things in which exercise, regular exercise, yoga. Another thing is adequate intake of water, adequate rest than 8 hours per day, and cut off your stress, tensions or anxieties also is a part of immunity system. And personal hygiene improvement, that is hand wash, is another part. Now another, some medicine in the form of prebiotic, probiotic or prophylaxis also take part in immunity system or build up in immunity system. Some immunizations, vaccinations, as I told earlier, this is the main thumb pillar of immunity to build up. Another form and another care, extra care, is the part in case of chronic disease like diabetes, uncontrolled hypertension, cancer patients, and in patients, children's, and also extra care to be given for the pregnant mother, so that they can build up, they can have the adequate strength against some microorganism. Another part is the positive thinking, communications to your nearest one is another part to be strengthen your immunity system. So thank you.